Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Fix It Friday video. So if you watch my vlog, I told you about this glass guard, stain remover or glass cleaner, glass restoration type cleaner. And we used it in my shower over on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. But I wanted to use it on my stovetop because it's for kitchen, bathroom, and where else you have glass. So let's get into it. So I started off just cleaning with just regular Lysol just to get any any seasoning or whatever on the countertop. Now my glass counter stovetop isn't like dirty or anything, or it isn't in bad shape at all, but I wanted it to be like shiny, this because this is supposed to be like a glass restoration stain remover. So I wanted it to look brand new. I wanted to look like someone just dropped off this stovetop and I just got it today. So with this product, you just take it, and it does come with a scrub, and you're gonna go through and spread it across whatever area you want to restore. So that's what I'm gonna do now.
Kill so self.
Zam kill. How you making noodles like
Please
that?
don't go out with your friend. They don't ever keep it in check. They gon' let you do whatever. And laying it on the liquor. Oh, who got their foot silent? Think them clubs. Your shit does that you fake up.
Okay, so you're supposed to let this sit for at least 10 minutes. I think I let it sit for maybe like 15 minutes. So yeah. So this is me coming back to check on it. And actually I just wet the sponge that it came with to try to loosen it up and start to clean away the product. But then I end up just going in with the Lysol and like trying to get it all up. Okay, while I'm doing that, I just wanted to give you a few facts about this product. So it is called Glass Guard. It's a glass restoration stain remover. It removes stains that's including calcium, limestone, soap scum, water spots, and dirt. It restores glass by deep cleaning the glass. It restores it back to a new condition. It's environmentally friendly, so it reduces the water. I mean, reduce the use of water, reduces harsh cleaning chemicals, and increase the longevity of your glass. And it comes with a special score, the little pad that you see me using. And each bottle does include that. And it's double sided. One side is like soft, and then the other side has this like rough texture to it. Used for you can use it on tough stains. So. Y'all, look how good my stove looks. Like, it looks brand new. I'm definitely keeping a bottle of this in my house. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next Fix It Friday.